Hello guys, welcome back and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in the previous series of surgery important 2 markers of paper 1 and paper 2 along with definitions and pointers, we now end this series on a note of some general theraps questions which could be asked. So this is not a proper theraps of all the parts included everyone, but just a few questions here and there which could help you all to revise some topics if you want to. Alright, so we'll be continuing with this video, and if you have not seen the previous videos of this playlist, you can check it. We have covered the general systemic surgery paper 1 full, paper 2's ENT, ophthal, dental and orthopedic part as well, which is completing the paper 2 completely. And lastly, we look into some of the theraps questions which are from paper 1 and paper 2. So let us begin. Creosote in toothache. It is suited to persons with difficult dentition, painful dentition. It produces tendency to destruction of teeth, intolerable toothache during pregnancy. 4 remedies for bleeding gum: creosote, Muxol, Heparsulf and Carbovec. Indication of 2 remedies in gingivitis: creosote, bluish red soft spongy bleeding gum, Fthe and Muxol, wherein there are painful, ragged, swollen and bleeding gums in gum balls and Fthe. Muxol in Phthes ulcer. Muxol acts on mucous membrane. It produces ulceration of mucous membrane, especially of throat and mouth, and it produces excessive salivation. Fthe is generally present. Redness of whole mucous membrane of mouth with profuse salivation. Stomatitis from chewing gum. In dentals, creosote in dental caries. It is suited to persons with difficult dentition, painful dentition. It produces tendency to destruction of teeth, decayed teeth and gum with fetid corrosive discharge. Teeth begins to decay as soon as teeth appears. Gums are bluish red, soft, spongy, dark oozing after extraction of teeth. Chamomilla in toothaches. Ailments from taking anything warm, warm room, coffee during menses, during pregnancy. Teeth feel elongated with intolerable pain. Hot, offensive and greenish diarrhea during dentition. Modalities: it is aggravated by heat, evening and before night, midnight, and better by wet weather. Muxol in gingivitis or alveolar abscess. It produces ulceration of mouth and throat with excessive salivation. Gums are swollen, painful, sore and ulcerated. Gangrenous with bleeding on slightest touch. Gum boil, alveolar abscess, sweetish metallic taste with intense thirst and foul breath. Teeth is hollow and black. Teeth feels tender and elongated. Modality: it is aggravated by touch and chewing. Staphysagria in dental caries. Decayed toothache. Tooth crumbles and decays at edge and the teeth turns black, show dark streaks. 4 remedies for toothache: creosote, coffea, chamomilla and staphysagria. Drugs for caries of teeth: creosote, coffea, staphysagria and syphilinum. Coffea cruda in toothache. Intermittent jerking toothache temporarily relieves by holding ice water in the mouth, but return when the toothache returns when the water becomes warm in the mouth. The pain is excessive and causes weeping, trembling and nausea. Pulsatilla in toothache. Stitching, digging pain worse in the evening or night. Toothache worse in warm room, warm bed. Toothache better from walking in and in open air. Toothache with chilliness of the body and no thirst. Staphysagria in toothache. Toothache appears during menses. Decayed toothache, but the peculiarity of the toothache is that the teeth are very painful to the touch of food and drink, but not from biting or chewing. Tooths crumble and decay at edges. Teeth turn black, shows dark streaks. Modality: it is aggravated by cold drinks after eating. Some therapy parts of ortho: ledum pal in osteoarthritis. Ailments from deposition of solid substances like uric acid, sodium biurate and other crystals in the tissue. Stones in the small joints like ankle, wrist, fingers, toes. Throbbing, tearing and sticking pain in left shoulder and right hip joint. Rheumatism begins in the lower limb and then ascends. The joints are swollen and painful. Stiffness of all joints. It can only move after applying cold water. Modality: worse by heat of bed, walking, night, better by cold water. Muxol in osteomyelitis. Stiffness of neck, burning pain in back which is aggravated by emission, tearing pain in coccyx which is aggravated by pressing on abdomen, bone pain which is aggravated by night and walking. Rustox in tennis elbow. It affects fibrous tissue, ligaments, tendons. There is tearing pain in tendons, ligaments, paralytic pain in elbows, joint becomes hot, swollen and painful, soreness of condyles of bones, modality aggravated by rest and better by movement. One drug for arthritis. Arnica montana is indicated for chronic arthritis with sore limb and bruised feeling. Pain is worse from touch. Pain occurs in joint. The patient is very much oversensitive to pain and cannot bear anyone coming near him. He has a fear that anyone could strike his knees. Staphysagria in sty. Styes and chalazae appear on the upper eyelid or on the both eyelids. Sty first comes on the one eyelid and after another eyelid. When styes disappear, hard nodosities are left in their places. Eyes are sunken with blue rings around the eyes, bursting, burning pain in the eyeball. So this was the keynotes of staphysagria in sty. Define sty, mention the drugs having suppurative tendency and called surgeon's knife. Definition of sty we have already covered in the previous 2 markers, you can check it out there. Then Cilicia having suppurative tendency and is called surgeon's knife. Pulsatilla in dacrocystitis. There is dryness of eyes and eyelids with sensation as if darkened by mucus. Conjunctivitis with profuse thick yellow bland discharge. Burning and itching in the eyes. Inflammation of eyes, margins of eyes, lacrimation. Styes appear on upper eyelids with burning, itching and biting in the eyes. 4 remedies for dacrocystitis. Pulsatilla, Apis mellifica, Cilicia and Heparself works well. Euphrasia in mucopurulent conjunctivitis. It produces catarrhal inflammation of the mucous membrane and inflammation of the conjunctival membrane. Sensation of dryness of eyes and eyelids, burning and biting, itching in the eyes. Profuse acrid lacrimation with profuse bland coryza. Margins of lids are red, swollen and burning with blurred vision. Modality aggravated by warmth, evening exposure to south wind. Phosphorus in glaucoma. Sensation as if everything covered with mist, dust or something pulled tightly over eyes. There is photophobia which is very marked, narrow field vision, partial loss of vision, glaucoma, degeneration in retinal cells and optic atrophy. Argentum nitricum in ophthalmia neonatum. Ophthalmia neonatum in infants who have previously contacted or been in touch with gonorrhea during the passage through the birth canal. Granular conjunctivitis, there is profuse purulent discharge, cornea is opaque and ulcerated, lids are sore, red and thick and swollen, the inner canthi are red and swollen, dilated pupils with dimness of vision and intense photophobia. Arnica montana in red eye. Arnica montana for conjunctival and retinal hemorrhages with extravasation and intraocular hemorrhage from injuries or cough. There is photophobia which is very marked and right eye protrudes. Right eye is larger than the left eye. Sabadilla in nasal polyp. Constitution of Sabadilla: weak and fair complexion, light hair. Ailments from cold air, cold room, cold drinks and cold food. Symptom: profuse watery discharge from nose with lacrimation, frequent violent sneezing, headache. Modality: aggravation by cold air, cold room, cold drinks, cold food and better by warm food and drinks, warm room. Ileum cepa in allergic rhinitis. Ailments from cucumber, salad, warm room. Symptoms are profuse watery acrid discharge from nose with bland lacrimation, frequent violent sneezing, headache, nasal polyp is present, drops of nasal discharge at tip of nose. Modality: aggravated by cucumber, salad and warm room, better by cold room and cold air. Heparsulf in laryngitis. There is pressive and constrictive sensation in throat, stitches in the throat which extend to ear, smarting soreness in throat, sensation as if fish bone or a splinter was sticking in the throat or stuck there. Also sensation of plug in the throat. Modality: the patient is aggravated by swallowing. Ammonium carb in epistaxis. Bleeding from nose when washing the face and hands in the morning after eating. Bleeding from left nostril. Blood rushes to tip of nose when stooping. Ozena when blowing bloody mucus from nose which comes out frequently. Stoppage of nose at night, must breathe through the mouth. Modality: increases in dry weather. The patient is better in dry weather. One remedy for tonsillitis, which is Mugsol, a remedy par excellence. It causes inflammation which leads to induration and induration leads to ulceration. Mugsol is indicated for tonsillitis. Ulceration of mucous membrane of throat, bluish red swelling with burning in throat, raw sensation in the throat, foul breath is present with malaise and fever. Phytolacca in tonsillitis. It is a wonderful remedy for tonsillitis. It causes inflammation and irritation which leads to ulceration, dark red swelling with burning in throat, sensation of lump in the throat, cannot swallow even water. Pulsatilla in sinusitis. Headache and heaviness from stooping, one-sided headache especially in forehead and temples, frontal and supraorbital pain, loss of smell with catarrh, chronic bland yellow nasal discharge. Pulsatilla in earache or otalgia. Earache worse in night and in warm room. Deafness as if ears were stopped. Thick yellow otorrhea discharges from the ears. External ear is red and swollen. Ferrum phos in pharyngitis. Inflammation of fauces, and ulcerated throat, dry red inflamed throat with much pain, sore throat of singers, first stage of diphtheria, painful empty swallowing, soreness after operation. Baryta carp in quinsy. Tonsils are inflamed with engorged vein. Tonsils are enlarged and suppurate especially on right side. Throat is sore to touch. Smarting in throat when swallowing. Palate and uvula are swollen. Modalities is aggravated by swallowing solids when thinking about his trouble. Belladonna in otitis externa. Inflammation of external ear with discharge of pus. Aching sharp pain in the ear. Pain causes delirium. Tinnitus is present. Silesia in otitis media. It is an inflammation of the middle ear, otitis media. It promotes and controls suppuration and formation of abscess and boil, perforated drum, roading in the ear, fetid discharge, deafness, caries of mastoid process. Belladonna in otitis media. Noises in the ear, aching sharp pain in the ear, discharge of pus from ear, and otitis media. 4 remedies for otorrhea, which are Soranum, Kali Self, Pulsatilla, and Merxol. 4 remedies for otomycosis, which is Kali Mur, Ferrum phos, Chamomilla, and Pulsatilla. Define epistaxis. Mention the drug with vicarious menstruation, great dryness with thirst. Epistaxis, it is a bleeding from nose. It may be anterior or posterior, spontaneous or induced. The drug is bryonia. Causticum in vocal nodules. There is great rawness and soreness in the throat with hoarseness in the morning, severe cough, larynx is sore and pharynx is paralyzed. Phytolacca in cervical lymphadenitis. Phytolacca is a glandular remedy. There is a glandular swelling with heat especially of the neck. Glands are hardened like stone. Silesia in abscess. It is a pus-forming remedy. It promotes and controls suppuration and formation of abscess. Every little injury suppurates. Tendency to expel foreign bodies from tissues. The modalities are aggravated by cold and better by warmth. Borax in stomatitis. Fthe in the mouth, on tongue and inside the cheeks. Hot mouth, cracked and bleeding tongue with salivation. Fthe sore mouth. Buccal mucous membrane becomes red, easily bleeding during eating or when touched. Modality, it is aggravated by touch, salty or sour food. Hyoscyamus in dysphagia. Tongue is dry, red, cracked, paralyzed, protruded, sensation as if stinging and constriction in throat, cannot swallow liquid, comes out through the nose or goes down in the larynx. Modality, it is better by solid and warm foods. Ledum pal in nerve injury. Punctured wounds by sharp pointed instruments of nails, rat bites. Sticking, tearing and throbbing type of pain. Affected part is emaciated. Long remaining discoloration after injury. Black and blue places become green. Modality, aggravated by warmth and better by applying icy cold water. Sequita virosa in head injury. Convulsions from head injury. During convulsion, the attack is violent. The convulsion extends from center to periphery. The convulsion spreads from above to downward, jerks the head, sudden violent shock through the head. 4 remedies for varicose vein are Hemamelis, fluoric acid, calcula fluor, and Cicalcor. So guys, these were some important frequently asked therapeutics questions of your paper 1, paper 2 combined. So I hope this video helps you all out, and like previous ones, we'll target 1000 views on this with 100 likes. So please help us achieve that target. Please like this video. इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए please, and share it with your classmates. And lastly, subscribe our channel It will motivate us to make more and more such videos and series for you all. So with this, we have covered the full surgery, general, systemic, plus the paper 2 part, which is ENT, ophthal, orthopedic and dental part, along with some of his general therapeutics question. So this, we end this series on this note. Please watch it at least once, twice or thrice, so you know it gets stuck there in your brain and you remember when the question appears in front of you in your exams. So my best wishes always with you all, and if you haven't been subscribed to our Telegram channel as well, please do join it as well. We upload all the notes of first, second and third year, and I'll be also uploading this one when the target is achieved immediately on the Telegram channel. Alright, so goodbye, take care and study well. Thank you.